Hello everyone, how to apply comma style with a zero decimal in Excel. So let's start as my Excel, and here you can see I have data. So in the cells column, I'm going to apply the comma style. Simply select the entire column and go to the home tab in numbers group, click on the comma style. Okay, I just click on this option, and here you can see the comma is applied in the amount. But here the two decimal is added also. To remove this decimal, to zero this decimal, simply select again entire column and go to the home tab in numbers group and click on this option, decrease decimal. Just click on it, double click on, and you can see that both decimal is removed. Okay. So this is a way you can apply the comma style with a zero decimal in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.